Hello guys, and welcome back into this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox problem. First thing, go to the search for search for Roblox, exactly like that. Click on your right mouse, choose open file location, click on your right mouse again here, choose properties, go to compatibility, enable this option, click here, and now what you want to do is go into this Windows Vista, enable this option and this option and this one, click apply, OK, and turn off your computer and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.